In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious Parmesan Crusted pork chops recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need pork chops, 1.5 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of oil. We're going to start off by seasoning both sides of the pork chops with salt and pepper. We're going to mix together the Italian breadcrumbs and the Parmesan cheese. Now we are going to beat the eggs until they are smooth. We are going to coat the pork chops in the egg mixture, and then we are going to coat them in the breadcrumb and Parmesan mixture. After our pork chops are completely coated, we're going to place them on a plate. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in half of the oil. We are going to add in our pork chops and we're going to cook them for 5 minutes or until they are golden brown. After our pork chops are completely golden brown, we are going to flip them and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Once they're finished cooking, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Our pork chops are complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.